Come test drive the 2018 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, security system, compass, trip computer, power windows, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.